worsened the pain, stinging the open wounds. If the sailor wasn't pulled out quick enough, there was a high risk of drowning before reaching the other side. If they did manage to survive, it just meant they were ready for round 2. They'd be tied with ropes and dragged under the ship's hull. As they were pulled beneath the boat, sharp barnacles and rough wood scraped against their skin, causing deep cuts and bleeding.
So guys, this is the watching. You guys see I'm scared, okay?
Oo.
Di ba natakot ako nun kanina, guys?
Aray.
So, mamaya na po yun. Ano lang matatay? 1 block. Ano? Lucky block. Ito, rainbow.
Uy. Ay. Minecraft. Anong ginagawa mo?
Ilaw.
Ano? Ba't mo pinapalis Minecraft din ako? Kaya nga, ang ulo ko.
Fine na bag. Please tell us about it. At
You're so ugly.
Bugs Mod Jangkong. Ito yun.
You're so ugly.
4 na. Hindi, 4 na box mo. Box yung head.
Ha? You're so ugly.
Go. Huwag mo maingay.
Okay. Manood. Ano pala?
Well,
Lucky block. Ano yun? Nahulog ka naman. Ano nahulog? Joke lang. Bro, just fell on the wheel. Ang siksip naman yun.
may enchanted apple ako dito eh.
Ano nga?
Tsaka may dial.
Tara, laruin natin. Meron na lang 4 ang player head.
So guys. Oh no! Wow! What the heck? We have this. So we're going in there.
Kung tanong nakaabot ka mo.
Yun ano, kay ngalan, dapat makapunta ako sa the end doon.
Kapag napunta ka na, tapos na mission,
Panalo na.
equip.
Guys,
Guys, naglag. Hoy. Meron item to eh. Ito. Ay. Tingnan mo item ng ninja.
so boy.
Galing. Talaga, si so ugly.
May bedrock.
Oh, the bedrock. Kaya nga yung bedrock. Tatalon ako, joke lang.
So guys, the lucky block.
The lucky block is eating now.
What did I get?
The turtle head.
What the turtle head?
Slime. Slime head.
Ang slime head. Golden apple.
Kainin mo nga, joke lang.
Oh, this. This
Oh,
will
this.
work.
He's so ugly, guys. He's a kalbo.
So,
Guys, kalbo siya. Nagtatawa na, tapos tumakas na. Rasinga bush. Umainit.
yo! Nether star!
Ano?
Tulog daw.
Bago na may kainan mo. Pakuha mo na naman sa aso.
Kinuha.
Nakukuha yung mga aso ng pinggan. Hindi mo ba alam?
Iniwanan mo yung pagkain. Painin na naman nila. Sige, iwanan mo ulit. Sige, iwanan mo ulit. Gilid mo yung mga sinunod.
So, baby, the